Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new here, and I make style and hair related videos every single week. So if that's something you're interested in, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my posts, okay? Today's video is brought to you by a request, actually. So one of my subscribers, longtime subscriber, his name's Lewis. He's got a really cool Instagram. I'm gonna pop that right there because he's very, very cool. So Lewis said on my channel, on one of my videos, he said, when your teeth are whiter than your shirt, would love another teeth whitening video, and voila. So what I thought I'd bring you today was just an updated teeth whitening routine and what I do to keep my teeth white. I do have very pearly white. I actually get asked a lot, even in real life, like how I keep my teeth so white, and there's a few different things I do to keep them in a really nice white state, and I'm gonna be going through them all today. And if you wanna check out any of the products that I use, yeah, I'll leave links in the description box below, okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's get onto it. Let's find out how I keep my pearly whites so white. So the first thing I use, and you probably see a lot of other influencers use these as well, it's a teeth whitening kit, right? So I've done a few different brand deals with teeth whitening kits. Smile Brilliant was the last one I did. I did it last September. They are a really, really prestige teeth whitening company. Their kit is unlike any other kit I've ever seen before. They opted to sponsor me last September to do a video, and I actually jumped at the idea because I had seen Smile Brilliant work with humongous YouTubers like Danielle Mansutti. Some of you might know who she is. A lot of you will know who the gentleman's Cove is. They've worked with him as well. And when they contacted me, I kind of like got butterflies. I was like, oh, is this really happening to me? So I jumped at the opportunity for that, and I was very, very impressed. If you haven't seen that review that I did, you can go back and I'll put it in the cards or something. I did like a short review on the whole teeth whitening kit, and I also did a really long review of me like unboxing it and the whole creation process. It's freaking insane, and I'll cover a bit of that today. But yeah, so the first thing I actually do is use a teeth whitening kit, okay? Some of you also might be under the impression that you have to use a teeth whitening kit once a week. I definitely do not do that. I probably use a teeth whitening kit once a month, and yeah, that's pretty much just to get that white glow, like that really, really fluorescent white glow. And Smile Brilliant is, yeah, it's the one that I use. So the cool thing about Smile Brilliant though, like I was just saying that they're like a prestige company. So what they actually do is they send you this box, and inside the box you've got like all these different putties. You've got, I think it's like, I can't remember the names of them, but it was a blue and a white putty, and I would mix those together, and then I had to quickly put it on this tray and shove it in my mouth, right? It was a pretty cool process. And then I would pull a teeth mold out, and I had to pop the teeth molds back in the post and send them back to Smile Brilliant. So yeah, and once you send your impressions away to them, they kind of make this porcelain version of your teeth. Then they like make custom fitted trays. So these trays that I have, they're actually like an exact mold of what my teeth really look like. And this really helps in the whitening process because the better fitted it is to your teeth, the more evenly the gel spreads and the better result that you get. And it just turns out that their gel is actually a really, really freaking good one. The other cool thing about Smile Brilliant as well is you don't have to like hang around with one of those big daggy blue lights in your mouth. You know, like how most like High Smile and all those other teeth whitening brands, they actually don't even mold to your teeth properly, and you have to like hang this big ugly blue thing in your mouth, and I just think it looks so ridiculous. So the fact that Smile Brilliant make a custom fitted tray, plus you don't have to use the big blue light, it's definitely a bonus, and yeah, I love them. Overall, the Smile Brilliant kit is really, really good, and I'm pretty sure the deal that I had with them last time, it was like a lifetime deal. So if you guys want to go and get Smile Brilliant, you can still get it for like 120 bucks, and then I think with my YouTube code, which is this, you get 15% off. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal, and I would highly, highly recommend it. But as far as teeth whitening kits go, I just use the Smile Brilliant teeth whitening kit once a month. That's it. Wow. Who would have thought I could talk so long about a teeth whitening kit? So after using the teeth whitening kit, my regular maintenance just consists of brushing. So I've got a special toothbrush that I'm going to show you. I've got a special toothpaste that I really like to use. And I also have a floss I'm going to show you. So the toothpaste that I use on a regular basis, I've talked about this in many, many, many videos. This is the Colgate Tartar Control Whitening. To be honest, I think this whitening toothpaste is better than their Optic White. And their Optic Whites, they're like high-end whitening one. And I actually have used it before, and it actually does not do as good a job as this one does. This one's the Advanced Whitening Tartar Control. Weird as hell. I don't know how it works better than their Optic White one, but I swear by this toothpaste. My sister swears by this toothpaste, and I'm sure if you get it, you will too. It's really good for maintaining that whiteness, and I drink a fuckload of coffee and Diet Coke and all these different things that stain your teeth, and I don't have any stains. So I really, really, really like this. Truly. The next thing I would recommend to use is an electric toothbrush. Now, why an electric toothbrush, or why is an electric toothbrush better than a manual one? Now, a manual one, I mean, well, yeah, you can clean your teeth with it, but I've found since using an electric toothbrush, it gives me a far, far, far more precise clean. And get this, right? So every time I've been to the dentist before getting this electric toothbrush, I've needed either a filling or some kind of work done. After I actually invested in getting an electric toothbrush, I think it was last year I did it, I've had 2 trips to the dentist, and both times I've not needed any work done. So I'm pretty sure like the electric toothbrush is what's responsible for it. And obviously the cleaner your teeth are, the more gunk you get off, the less like stained they're gonna look as well, right? It's all part of the maintenance. All right, so the next item on the list is floss. Now, when I first started flossing, I was like, oh, this is so fucking annoying. But it actually, there's so many different benefits to flossing, and if you don't floss, I would really encourage you to maybe start doing it, or at least try to. So I started getting a lot of cavities in between my gums. That's why flossing is so important, because you can get food stuck in between all of these gums, and once it gets stuck in between the tooth, it starts making bacteria, and then you need fillings, and it's a shit fight, right? But so apart from it cleaning my teeth better, what I actually found floss does is it actually improves the health of your gums as well. Now get this is a little tip for you as well. Your gums, like a healthy gum, is supposed to be like a really rich pink color. They're not meant to be too red, and they're not meant to be too pale. If they're too pale, they're not healthy. If they're too red, then you got to get that checked out, right? But your gums, if they're healthy, should be like a really rich pink color. Now the cool thing is red, or like reddy pink, really complements white well. As you can tell, I'm wearing a red shirt today, and I've done it on purpose so you can see that my teeth go a lot whiter. Putting white against red really shows the white off, and I feel like by flossing and keeping my gums in a more healthy state, it actually contributes to keeping my teeth whiter. So that's why I would recommend it as well. Not only for like the health-wise and hygiene, but also aesthetically, it can pretty much help you. So it might be annoying, but it's great for benefits. And if you're serious about having white teeth, I would recommend all of these different things that I've mentioned in this video. And the process of using them, so yeah, once a month, I'll use the Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening Kit, and then on a regular basis, I'm just literally using these 3 every time I brush. Also, just a little tip, lots of people get a bit confused as to whether you're meant to floss first and then brush and then rinse, but the way I do it is I will brush my teeth, get all the gunk out, then I'll floss just to make sure I get rid of all that nasty stuff, and then I'll do a rinse just to completely rinse everything out. And I'm pretty sure that's the right way you're meant to do it. Anyway, that is my updated teeth whitening routine. All the links to all of these products will be in the description box below, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming back and watching. If you haven't pressed the subscribe button, please make sure you do that, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my notifications, because I post every single week. Be here, be square. It's always 7 AM on a Monday morning for Australia, so I think everywhere else that's like, I think that's a Sunday afternoon. So anyway, keep your eyes peeled, and I look forward to seeing you next week, okay? Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much, Lewis, for giving me this video idea, okay? Have a good day, have a good week, see you later. Bye.